Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and liking our videos. On this channel, we share healthy baking recipes that are gluten-free and diabetic friendly. We do not use sugar, gums or refined ingredients that are not good for your body. In today's video, I'm sharing how to make bread from almond butter. This recipe only uses a few ingredients: almond butter, baking powder and eggs. It's actually a 3-ingredient recipe. I also like to add vinegar or lemon juice, but that's optional. You can live without it. Today I will also be adding raisins, carrots and bananas, but those are optional too, guys. Let's get into it. I'm going to mash 1 banana until all the lumps are gone. Let's now add 4 eggs into a bowl. Since everything we are using is wet, we will just use 1 bowl to add and mix all our ingredients. Please make sure your eggs are at room temperature. Let's now add almond butter into a bowl. Almond butter can be pricey, so following this recipe step by step means no waste and more savings. Now that the banana, almond butter and eggs are in, let's whisk everything until fully combined. This should take you 1 to 2 minutes. Keep mixing until the butter looks like a thick liquid, like so. Next, I'm adding baking powder and vinegar. Just a reminder guys, vinegar is optional. Whisk again until everything is combined. Next, I'm going to add carrots and raisins. Mix again until everything is combined. Then grease your pan with olive oil and pour in the butter. Sprinkle with seeds if you like, again that's optional. Now pop it in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Our bread is ready guys. It looks great and I want to know what you think about this recipe. Please comment below. All the ingredients are listed below. Thank you so much guys for your support. Bye bye.